Excuse me.
Let go.
No, you get your hands off of me. No.
Get out of the car now.
No.
I will tase you if you don't get out of the car.
You better take your hands off of me right now.
Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Angry Karen with a Warrant Tries to Buy Officer by Blue Watch. Thank you guys for tuning in. Without further ado, let's get it.
On June 9th, 2022, a Hinsdale police officer was serving an arrest warrant for a domestic violence allegation. The suspect, 45-year-old Sean Malarkey, allegedly hit her ex-husband with a car.
Malarkey? Yeah, she need to go to jail, though.
Hey, step out of the car right now. Get out of the car. Ma'am.
Is she drunk?
We'll talk about everything, but get out of the car. Yep. 20 expedite. We're in the garage. She's closing. Ma'am, step out.
Excuse me.
Step out.
No, excuse me.
Step
Get
out.
your hands off of me.
Step out of the car right now.
She just closed the garage on him?
No.
Step out of the car.
Get your hands off
Get
of
out
me.
of the car.
No.
You're under arrest.
No, I am not.
Yes, you are.
No, I am not.
Yes, you are.
Get your hands
Open this
off.
garage door.
Excuse me.
Let go.
No, you get your hands off of me. No.
Get out of the car now.
No.
I will tase you if you don't get out of the car.
You better take your hands off of me right now. Get your hands off of me.
Stop. I told you you're under arrest. Get out of the car.
Why?
Because you have a warrant. And you're wanted for
No.
domestic battery. Yes, you are.
Excuse me. I just sent a message and I am... Excuse me. Excuse
What
me.
the
Get out of
fuck?
the car right now.
No.
Oh, yeah, she
I
going to
told
jail.
you I can handle this peacefully, but you have to get out of the car.
No, you never said that. I sent you a message. My attorney,
Affirmative. I have one cuff on.
you... Excuse me. Did somebody say that you could come into our house? You don't stop tugging on
I'm
me.
going to tase you if you don't get Opener?
No.
Yes.
No.
You're obstructing right now. Do you
No,
understand
you're
that?
obstructing.
I'm not going to tell you again.
No, I'm not going to tell you again.
Get out.
She's like the human embodiment of a cat trying to go to the vet. Imagine the lawyer's face when they see the footage of this body cam.
Right.
Meow. Meow. No audio, guys, so I'm just going to talk right now. Jesus Christ. I don't know who made this 12-year-old boy mad, but he is pissed. Ba-da-ba-ba-da. I'm loving it. That's what be going on in my head, y'all. Okay, we got to get some audio. Damn, let's see. Closed in the muff. There we go.
Understand.
One female, 1095.
You did this.
No, I didn't do anything. No, I didn't.
Andy asked you to come out.
Excuse me?
Andy asked you to get out of the car.
No, Andy yanked me.
I yanked you because I told you you're under arrest and you refused to exit your vehicle. Yes.
Are you going to step up and be cooperative?
No, my attorney is...
Are you going to stand up and be cooperative?
Are you going to understand that my attorney has filed a motion to quash this?
All right.
I
You just stand your knee.
My attorney
What your attorney got to do with you hitting your husband with a car?
filed a motion to quash this. Has filed
We're
a
going out here,
motion
this way.
to quash this.
You hit us, you do anything stupid towards us, we're any
Excuse
charges
me?
on. If you hit us,
Excuse me?
or anything, let's go.
You've already hit me.
I didn't hit you. I asked you out of the car. I told you you're under arrest. Now you got a whole show for your neighbors here.
You are a dick. My children don't have anybody at home right now.
I'm surprised that you even got custody of your kids right now. The family court has failed these kids tremendously.
My kids alone in danger. I need to call my attorney. I'm not getting in that car until I call my attorney.
That's
I'm
not
calling
gonna
my
happen.
no. I'm calling my attorney.
It's not going to happen.
No, I'm calling my attorney.
When the time comes,
Right
you'll call your
fucking now. No,
your
I'm
attorney, but
calling
right
my
now you're under arrest.
No, I'm calling my attorney.
Get in the car.
My children are home alone.
giving you an order.
Sit in the car.
We will
My
get your
children
father here.
are
One minute
home
with the car.
alone. My children are home alone.
We will
And I'm
take care of your children.
No, you're not taking care of shit.
I'm going to get
The
help.
way that you take care of somebody is throwing
I got
them
it.
down on the ground.
Nobody
You
threw
are
your
a
children on the ground.
motherfucker. You are a shitty fucking human being.
That's messed up.
Well, if the woman that he's dealing with has kids, then that is a correct statement.
You throw somebody down in front of their children? What the fuck is wrong with you?
Sit down! I told you to sit down.
You piece of shit. You know what? You are the piece of dirt that I wouldn't piss on if you were on fire.
I smell an odor of alcohol on your breath.
No, that's my piss.
That's your piss?
I'm pissing on you.
You need to go get that checked out. And I have never in my life wanted somebody to get so tased so bad as of right now.
Guess what?
What?
You're the worst part of the society. You think?
I don't think so.
Oh, no, I know.
I don't think so.
I fucking know it. You are the worst. You take down a mother in front of her fucking children, but you are somehow fucking
I think he
later.
asked you pretty politely to get out.
No, he didn't. No, he didn't. Were you there?
Sounds like you were fleeing, right?
Were you there?
All right, we're good.
Were you there?
You saw my emergency lights before you even got in the
Were
alley.
you there?
All right,
Were you there?
Bend your legs.
No, were you there?
Bend your legs. Don't continue
Were you
resisting.
there? Were you there? Were
I
you
saw what I
there?
saw when I walked in.
She thought it was GTA. If you go in the garage and close the door, the mission was passed.
Not getting out.
Black Chevy truck that you pulled on.
Mobile.
She cooperated the same bottle, same odor of alcohol. Okay. Hey, I didn't tell you to get out of the car. Stop.
Where are you
Do you have your phone
going?
on you?
Don't touch me.
Do you have your phone on you?
Get your fucking hands off me.
Where's your phone?
Do not
Where's your phone at?
get
Person?
your. Do not touch me.
Okay.
Did I ever say?
around.
You fucker, do not touch me. Get his fucking hands off me. Get your fucking hands off me.
Cool out.
If you keep
Oh,
Get your
I'm gonna charge
fucking.
you with that. If
You know what? I'm gonna charge you with putting your fucking dirty ass hands on me.
stop moving, let him take off your watch.
You. You don't get to touch me. You are a disgusting piece of shit. The next time you fucking touch me,
Hey, get in the car.
or what?
no, he doesn't get to touch me.
Okay,
Sit in the
get in the
car.
car.
Follow, use the words of what these are hands.
Hey, get
No.
in the car. If you
He
don't,
doesn't
you're
get
gonna
to
get
touch
charged with obstructing.
If
Get in
he
the car.
fucking touches me
Alright,
Get in
again,
the car, Sean.
get your fucking hands off
Sean,
me.
in the
he's
car.
not even touching you. Get in the car.
Oh, but he
I'm not
did.
touching you.
No, he's touched
Okay,
me.
get in the car,
He's
Sean.
touched me
Sit in like
way
you're
more
adults
times than
and you're
appropriate.
Sean, get in
You
the
know,
car.
no. Do you know what he's done? If you
Oh,
Stop kicking us.
I'm gonna kick you right in the fucking.
That's mean. Don't do that.
Motherfucker.
Hey, pull the hobble strap.
she needs some milk. She needs some meds or something because this lady has lost her mind.
Out the door.
That motherfucker has touched me more times than appropriate. Do you understand?
Everyone.
It's a nice neighborhood, by the way. I want to be rich.
Do you understand how many fucking times he's touched me?
She gonna bond out in the morning.
I'm gonna.
We have a couple of charges of our own too, so it's gonna be a lot.
With what?
I,
We could just do what he
oh,
says.
no.
Listen to what he says
I'm
verbally.
coming for him.
Okay.
My attorney
Ooh.
is filing charges against you, motherfucker.
Let's take her out of
You
here.
are
There's no
a
point.
Facts.
You are
I'll meet
the
you guys at PD.
dirtbag that I've ever witnessed in my entire fucking life.
Do you need anything in regards to your house?
I am suing you.
If this is how she acts with the cops, I can only imagine how she acts with regular people or her husband or her kids when they piss her off.
Do you need anything?
Personally, Gary.
Cuckoo.
You are dead.
What's that?
Oh.
You are getting sued.
No, what'd you say before that?
Face is
You
getting
said I am dead? What do you mean by that?
Say it with your chest.
Elaborate on it if you mean it.
You're getting sued. You have touched me more
Do
than
Agasol too, she tried to bite me.
way more times. You think you're cool? You can beat up a girl? Good for you. Good for
Henry,
you.
20 I'm
douchebag.
transporting one female by
Beat up
cessation.
girl.
Copy starting.
Good for you. You're stronger than girl. Wow.
97197 97197.
He really struck a nerve. They got there fast. What the hell is she doing? Officers always know how to stop their car like super fucking fast. Gotta put all your stuff up or something or what?
Okay.
Lock up.
Sean, step out.
Where's my watch?
I have your watch.
Oh, is it accounted for?
What's up?
How the fuck she get her legs like that?
We drove 4 blocks. He has custody of your watch in the booking room.
And guess what?
Just so you know, with body camera, your watch is right here, okay?
Guess what?
How about Sean?
I don't take anything for granted.
That's great. Can you hop out of the car now?
I don't know. You want to drag me out like you drug me in?
No, I
you,
prefer not to.
No, I know you enjoy that.
That's your opinion. Can you get out now?
No, it's what I experienced. Thank you.
Are you going to willingly exit this car or no?
I don't think I can because my feet are tied together and my hands. So I don't think that I can
I'll
willingly.
help you out then. I'll help you out, Sean. Come on.
Dick,
Let's go.
that guy.
Hey, why are your... Hey, put your feet back on the other side. No. Here, put your feet down. Put your feet... No.
I was wondering how she did that shit.
It's too much. You could just take it off.
Okay, no. We're not...
That's what she said.
What am I? I'm a fucking 100 pounds. You think I'm gonna take a 200-pound dude?
Well, you've already kicked at us a lot of times.
Why?
You're not going to win.
Why?
You're going to hurt us.
Why? Because that guy right there.
The one you tried to bite?
Okay, Sean, let's go.
Why? Could you ask yourself a question?
Sean, put your legs
Why?
down like this.
Why? Because that guy beat me up and drugged me out of my car in front of my fucking kids. Because that guy is a dick.
Let's go.
That's why.
She is pissed.
You don't have.
The entitlement is reeking. She's so pissed, but all she had to do was get out the car. You the one that chose to go in your garage and then let the garage down with the police officer right there. What did you think was gonna happen? And then you just said the most horrible shit to them. You bit at them. You wished death on them. Like, come on now. I don't know what you was expecting from this experience.
He's a dick.
Let's go.
That's why.
We're going.
You don't have any sort of consciousness or awareness as to why.
Stand up, Sean. You can.
No, I can't.
You were standing outside of the car earlier, weren't you? Now stand up.
How can I stand up?
Then you need a security one, right?
You're gonna be a dick too.
Well, you're not being nice to me since...
You're not being nice to me. You never have.
All right, then we're going to fix it.
Do you know how many fucking times I've served you guys food? I've sat out there and served you guys hot dogs.
I wish you would just be nice to us instead of
I
serving
wish
us
you would be
food.
fucking nice to me. Are you fucking kidding me? You're making my wrists bleed?
Well, it's found.
You got serious life problems when they gotta carry you into the precinct like that.
Simple orders, Sean.
Yeah, politely, like an adult.
I did nothing.
Sean Malarkey was charged with felony aggravated DUI, her third DUI with a child passenger, and felony aggravated assault to an officer, misdemeanor count of resisting.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell as well so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. What did you guys think about this? If you want to leave a comment, make sure you like, share, and leave a comment below. It is greatly appreciated. And I will see you at the next video. Peace.